Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So I have a question for you. How do you know when a number is bigger? Hmm? How do you know when a number is bigger than another number? 8 and 5. Which one's bigger? Because 8 is more, right? If you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. But if you keep going and you add more, you'll get 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is more, but it also comes after 5, right? The 5 is first, so that's the smallest. And 8 is last, so that's the biggest. So today we're going to be looking at numbers, I spying numbers, and we are going to be figuring out if it is bigger or greater than, right here, or smaller or less than the other number. Or maybe they're going to be equal. Number equal means the same. Okay, so I want to spin a number and we're going to talk through exactly how we're going to do this. Right? What number is that? 34. Nice job. All right, we're going to spin another number and we're going to compare them. Ooh, what's that one? 23. All right, so now we have to look at the numbers. Which one is bigger? All right, the first spot you look is the tens place. So this is the tens place right there and right here, right? We have a 3 and a 2. Which one is bigger or greater than? So I'm going to start using greater than, and that means bigger, and less than means smaller, right? 3 and 2, which one's greater? Which one's bigger? The 3, absolutely. So that means 34 is greater than 23 because there's more, right? There's 3 tens in this one, and there's only 2 tens in this one. So that means we're going to use this word, these words, greater than. So how would you read that? 34 is greater than 23. Absolutely. We're going to put that back. All right. Let's see. What if I clear? No, I can just do this. Okay. So we're going to try it again. All right. I want you to write this down now. Remember, you always bring paper and pencil or a dry erase board to our math. Okay. If you don't have it, go get it. Pause me and go get it. All right. Ready to spin? Let's spin. What number is that? You got it. Let me change the color. You're right. How do you say it? 34. Again. All right, let's spin again. Let's get a different number. No more 23. Hold on, I'm going to spin again. Let's get a different one. It's crazy that it was the same. What is happening here? I can't believe it. That's more like it. I can't believe we got 23 again, 25 and 23. All right, what's this number right here? 70, absolutely. All right, so now I have a question for you. What place value do we look at to see which number is greater than and which one is less than? What place, the tens place or the ones place? We have to look at the tens place first. So we have, this is the tens place. Remember, the tens place is always on this side. What two numbers are we going to compare? You're right, we have a 3 and a 7. Which one's bigger and which one's smaller? Yeah, the 7 is bigger, absolutely. But which number came first? Which one did we spin first? 34. So that means we have to pick. Are we going to pick greater than? Is 34 greater than 70? Is 34 less than 70? Or is 34 equal to 70? You tell me. Greater than, less than, or equal to? 34. 34 is smaller. So which one means smaller? Greater than or less than? Less than, nice job. Because equal means the same. So 34 is less than or smaller than 70. Nice job. So this is using the statement. Now, grown-ups, we are not using the symbols yet. That comes in 2 days. All right. Right now, we're just getting them the process of thinking. All right. So please do not teach them the symbols yet. We're going to be doing that tomorrow and Thursday. All right. So right now we're using our words. 34 is less than 70. Excellent work. All right. If you have a dry erase board, clear it off. We are going to go again. Ready, Freddies? I'm not Freddy. All right, spin, spin, spin. Ooh, it's on the red one. What is it? How do you say that number? 61. Good job. All right, spin again. Ooh, what's this one? 65. This is the perfect example. It knew what I wanted to teach next. So smart. Thank you. Okay. So what place do we have to look first? The tens place or the ones place? The tens place. And what numbers in the tens place? We have a 6 and a 6. Okay, so which one's bigger and which one's smaller? They're the same, right? It's the equal to, but we're not done yet. If the tens place are the same, we have to look into the ones place. So now let's look at the ones place. Look at our two numbers. What two numbers do we have that the dots are under in our ones place? We have a 1 and we have a 5. Oh, they're not the same. So tell me, which one is greater, the 1 or the 5? Yeah, the 5. So which one is less, the 1 or the 5? The 1, absolutely. So then we have to look and see, 61, is 61 greater than or less than 65? Remember, the 6's are the same, so we have to look at the next number, a 1 and a 5. The 1 is the 1 greater than or less than the 5? Nice job, it's less than. So 61 is less than 65. All right. So you should have been writing these numbers down. Now you are going to get to write the whole statement, right? Because this is what's going to be expected on your exit ticket. All right. So making sure you have space. We're going to start writing our numbers, and you need to leave space in between them to write either greater than or less than or equal to, depending on what we spin. Go spinner, go spinner, go spinner, go spinner. Ooh, what's our number? 48. All right, so make sure you write your 48 down. All right, now we're going to spin again. Ooh, what number is that? 65. All right, when you write it down, make sure you leave lots of space in between the 48 and the 65, because you need to write either greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, now that we have our two numbers, we have to compare them, right? So we have to look at the same spot. Now, what place in our place value do we have to look at first? The ones place or the tens place? The tens place. So which number's in the tens place, the 4 or the 8? The 4. And we have a 65. What number's in the tens place? 6 or the 5? The 6. Okay. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? We have a 4 and a 6 to compare. Yeah, the 6 is bigger and the 4 is smaller. So when we say it, we have to look and see, because just like reading, we start on this side and we go this direction. So we need to be able to read 48 is it greater than or less than 65? I want you to write it in. Are you going to write greater than? 48 is greater than 65? Or are you going to write less than? Is 48 less than 65? Or do you think they're the same? 48 is equal to 65. Which one are you going to write? 48 is what? Less than or greater than? You write those words down. Show me when you're done. All right, nice work. Nice job. Oh, hi, dog. 48 is less than 65. That's my Penny. Did you say less than too? Yeah? She's right. Just like you, less than, because 48 is smaller. And less than means smaller. Nice job. All right, erase your board. Oh no, I deleted my, deleted my greater than. Word wall. All right, are you ready for our next one? Okie dokie. Let's spin, magic spinner, go. What number is that? Nice work, 17. Write it down, friends. All right, next spinner. Go. All right, write down 17. So now we need to look at what place, the ones place or the tens place. You're right. We start with the tens. We have a 1 and a 1. Which one's bigger? Which one's smaller? They're the same. You're right. Nice work. Okay, so now if the tens are the same, our eyes need to look to the ones. Where's my cursor there? All right, so there's the one spot, and here's the one spot. Which one's bigger? Which one's smaller? Wait, they're the same again? So what does that mean? Does that mean 17 is less than 17? Or is 17 greater than 17? Or is 17 equal to 17? I want you to write it down. Because you wrote down your 17s, write the statement in the middle, right? Are you going to write less than? 17 less than 17? Greater than? Is 17 greater than 17? Or is it equal to? Is 17 equal to 17? Choose which statement and write it in. All right, you are absolutely right. They are equal to. All right, make sure you're using the words because we're not doing the symbols yet. All right, we're going to do a quick introduction tomorrow, then we're going to teach them on Thursday. All right, yeah, 17 is equal to 17. It means it's the same. All right, let's do one more together. I don't want to erase my equal to like I did my other one. Whew. All right, make sure you have space to write. We have one more to go. Let's see. Wow, what number is that? 93, that is a big one. All right, let's see. Ready for our next one? I'm already wondering, are we going to do less than, greater than, or equal to? You see it? What number is it? 49. You got it. All right. What do we look at? The tens place we look at, the tens place. Oh yeah, the tens place we look at, the tens place. You got it. So the tens place is this place. We've been doing that for weeks. The tens place is always in the same spot, right? Right next to the ones. So we have to look at the tens place numbers and compare them. Which one's bigger and which one's smaller? Is a 9 bigger? Or is the 9 smaller than 4? You tell me. Is the 9 bigger or greater than, or is it less than 4? Write it down. Write the statement down. Are you going to write less than? Is 93 less than 49? Is 93 greater than 49? Or is 93 equal to 49? Remember, we're looking at the tens place. Okay, write it down and show me. I like watching you work. Okay. Ooh, I like it. All right. So you said that the 9 is bigger than the 4. So that means just like when we read, right, I have to write it this way. This is the way I read the math too, just like in our regular reading. So we have to have 93, and you were spot on. It's greater than 49 because 93 is bigger. You got it. Very nice job. All right, so now I want to show you the exit ticket for this week. All right, so let's go here. Oh, we are on week 29. Look at how far we have come this year, friends. All right, here it is. All right, can you see it? Can you see it? Let me share my screen with you. You can't see it. Sorry. Oh, goodness gracious. Here I am. Okay, so this says write a statement to compare 39 and 55. Those are the greater than, less than, or equal to statement. We are not using symbols yet. All right, so tell your grown-ups, no symbols, I have to use my words, right? Because we're not there yet. Okay, so you have to compare 39 and 55. And then you have to compare 71 and 63. So use your words, right? So 39, you're going to say is greater than 55, is less than 55, or is equal to 55. Those are your 3 choices, right? Making sure you're really looking at the tens place. Look at the tens place. Look at the tens place. Got to look at the tens place. Okay? And then see which one's bigger, which one's greater, which one's less than. We always go in the direction that we read. All right, superstars, math brains. I will see you tomorrow in the live class Zoom. We're going to be working on the same thing, making a statement. We're not doing symbols yet. Well, today we're not doing symbols. Tomorrow is going to be a quick introduction. Super fun. I love this part. All right, so make sure you're writing it down. You're either writing less than, greater than, or equal to when you're comparing those two sets, the set of numbers, okay? I cannot wait to see your statements. You got 2 of them. So go ahead, open up your exit ticket now, and then turn it right in. Oh, don't forget, it is also in your packet. So for those friends, so anybody who's been in school, you have the packet, and a few of the friends that picked things up, you have the packet too. So do your work in the packet, take a picture of it, and then turn it in. All right, you got this. Fist bump. Nice work. All right, I will see you